So I want to ask something. What is your immediate reaction when you hear a guy make the sound?
Oh, makes me cringe. I want to go and slap him. I'm sorry, forgive me, God. I just want to go
Why?
shake him.
Tell me
It's
why,
sick.
because I feel the same. I want to know
It's
why.
sick. Imagine a guy going to you. Like, what the heck? And then
You
it
know,
happens so often.
I think now, we must invent something. Whenever they do, we must do.
वो भागते आएंगे. They भागते आएंगे. I want to
It's
say
so
something.
demeaning and disgusting.
It is.
You're crossing the road, no matter how much sound and noise is there. But I don't know, my ears just stand out to that.
That is so true.
And I give that person a look, and the person is like, you know, kya ho raha hai,
Babe, I've had, forget that, at stations, people coming and touching you, men randomly. I've actually had started, when I used to travel by train, I used to actually turn around and grab the man's
No,
bag.
I stand with
said,
my
"Kya hai?
elbows
Kya
like
hai?"
this.
Yeah.
This.
Or put up, why do you have to carry a bag in front of a chest? Like, what the heck? What are these guys?
Delhi transport, years back.
You are very brave to try Delhi transport.
You know, my niece used to tell me, my cousin, not my niece, used to tell me, take the safety pin. And I used to say, what? She said, हाँ अगर कोई हाथ लगाएगा ना सीधा ना घुसा देना.
I
said,
love
are you
it.
serious? And I'm not joking. I've traveled Delhi buses with a safety pin like this, but I used to enjoy the poke.
Of course, when
I used to
somebody
be
touches
waiting
you that
if
way,
somebody
huh?
comes. But imagine the fear that you are traveling with, that somebody is going to grope or touch or whatever.
And in a crowded place where you think you're safe.
But I hate to say this, but in the most upmarket places and in the most religious places sometimes,
yes.
I have seen a kind of a misconduct which I don't like, and I
It's
feel,
very sad.
ki show some dignity,
नहीं है होता है ना रेनू.
and John Pooch ke sometimes the person is coming all over you.
Yeah.
So I stand like this now. Whenever I go out in a crowded place, I'm actually standing with my elbows poking out. One this thing and just straight
That's
put
the
it on
only thing you
stomach
can
or
do.
something.
No, but I had started shaming them. कि मारू ही क्यों? मैं तो पीछे हट के उसको ऐसे बाल पकड़ के आगे कर लेती थी. कि भाई बोल, अब तू बोल मुझे, क्या तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है लाइफ में? हाँ, मेरा हाथ तो देखा है ना, 2.5 किलो का तो है. The fatax se but it's insane, we're laughing about it. Can you
We're
imagine?
laughing because we not on the on this thing,
no, but that's what I'm
the
saying.
way we react.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's sad that and it doesn't matter what age you are.
But it's so sad. It's so. I also remember. I recall an incident. They say that some memories never fade. I remember as a very young kid. I was maybe in the 5th or 6th standard. And I don't know, this will get broadcast or whatever, but I had gone to a bookstore in Santa Cruz to pick up my books for school, and my mother had these vegetable bags, and so she said, go inside and choose the books, get them, You're so innocent, and during our times, we never had social media, we never had this exposure. मुश्किल से तो घर पे टीवी होता था, and I went into the store and I remember this salesman, and I'll never forget, still trying to come up against you, kind of touch you and feel you. It was such a bad, and I was so fearful that I could not even come out and tell my mother
What happened, right?
This boy was trying to, and I remember that fear. What? Look, I mean, how many years have gone by that medicine just does not.
Yeah, there are some things that just linger in your head.
And I feel so bad that this must be happening to girls all the time.
It does. You tell me if you bring one girl, एक लड़की तू मेरे सामने ले आ रही हूँ जो मुझे कह दिया है कि I haven't been inappropriately touched, कि मेरे पे किसी ने whistle नहीं मारा है, somebody is not trying to do something, इनमें से कोई भी चीज उसके साथ जरूर हो, वो से लेकर touching it is so sad that is such a thing that every single girl has gone through. Like, why do we have to tell एक लड़की को कि बाहर रात को तू अकेली मत जा? Why can't we tell a guy तो भाई अपने दोस्त को साथ ले जा
हाँ,
in
तू
case you
रात
commit
को
a
बाहर
crime.
जा पर अपनी तमीज और अपनी इज्जत
Yeah,
और
in case you know you don't commit a crime, take another friend of yours. But ऐसे भी नहीं बोल सकते. वो अपने friend को लेकर जाएगा पता नहीं और क्या करके आएगा. But it's sad. Like I said, which girl on this planet has not gone through it? Isn't that pathetic?
And the most disgusting part that I see is, you know, when now also if you just exit from here and you stand at the road and you have 2, 3 men
Yeah.
standing and then there is a woman who's full and well figured and stuff. दोनों की आंख मुड़ेगी and you know they scan the thing. It's so disgusting,
Babe,
man.
you are talking about.
We never look at men ki. I don't think so.
I don't think so. I've never heard of a woman. No, we don't discuss them that way.
It's like I mean, I don't think we think like that. Yeah.
But you know, you're talking about a man on the road. School में होता था ना एक teacher. नाम नहीं लूंगी. Girls were petrified of going to.
Yeah.
You know, वो table पे बुलाता था and you'd carry a book in front of you like this. And it was sad. It was pathetic. You were terrified of it.
But
It's so sad.
it's really unfortunate.
Really, it is. It is.
And I have seen it even now in today's day and age, you know, when we talk about women empowerment, we are talking about women empowerment. Somewhere these little things have to be worked on. Yeah. You know, I mean, people say chivalry, but you know, I think it's a man's privilege to pull a chair for a lady.
Absolutely. I agree.
To open the door, it's his privilege. You know?
I agree. And that is not, you're not, it's not about feminism. Feminism is not saying that I can do the same things, like I'm a man. Feminism is saying just give me the equal rights. Like, you know, if I want to go out at night, let me go out safely. अगर मुझे काम चाहिए, give me the same amount of money you're giving a man. Those are the equal things we're asking for.
True, very true. But I think Bombay is safe to travel by night that way compared
Yeah,
to
Bombay
the other,
comparatively, yes.
you know,
Yes, that much
I mean,
can say.
I know I have traveled. I mean, but it got hard. There are of course many cities that are not safe, but there are many cities which are safe for women to travel.
That I think is only Bombay.
In
I
India.
wouldn't go anywhere else, honestly, except for Bombay.
Yeah. But I remember traveling in Delhi, that was on a winter night. We had gone for an event, and I remember daringly I took a cab back to go back home. You know? It's only after I sat in the cab, my friends said, "Where are you going?" I said, "Of course I'm going home. It must have been around 12:30 or something." I don't know, a dense fog and all. So what? I mean, just take care. Huh? The minute he said take care, I said, "Oh my God, am I going to reach home? Am I not going to reach home?" You know.
He's very chivalrous enough to say, "मैं ले जाता हूँ, घर छोड़ देता हूँ."
No, he said, and you won't believe it, Swaran, I will never forget that journey, 45 minutes that journey. I'm a Hanuman Bhakt. I was only seeing the Hanuman Chalisa and my eyes were like this, you know, that, you know, just looking out, there is everything safe, there is no car beside us, or, you know, the guys, and looking at the driver's face, and whenever we make eye contact, I would look down.
No, but you know,
that fear was
yeah.
terrible.
Another thing that I do, and I do it in Bombay also, is if I'm traveling late at night, is if I can't get a friend to talk on the phone or a cousin or someone, I pretend that I'm on the phone and tell them, अच्छा मैं इधर पहुंची, मैं इधर पहुंची.
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं कि अभी जो लोग तेरे को देखेंगे रात को पता चले okay.